morning students. Today I will teach you Geography chapter 1 and name of chapter is Resource and Development. Okay? Resource and Development. What is resource and how and what we do for the development of that particular resource. Okay? So before this, first of all we must understand the meaning of resource, that what is resource actually. Okay? So everything in our environment which can be used to satisfy our need, okay, and is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable. Means anything available in our environment. There are so many things available in our environment and that particular thing should be technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable. Okay. Suppose we are finding that there is a piece of land, okay, and inside that piece of land there is coal, okay. So to extract that coal, we must have the technology to extract that coal. If we don't have the technology to extract that coal, then the field or where there is coal, that we will not call it resource. Second important thing, it should be, you see, economically feasible. What is the meaning of economically feasible? Economically feasible means when we extract resource, we need to have money. We need to have money to buy technology. We need to have money for hiring laborers to extract that resource. So the amount of money which we are using for extraction of the resource, when we have extracted that resource, the value of resource should be more than the cost of extraction, okay, cost of finding out that resource. Suppose we have extracted coal, okay, and the price of coal is 10 lakh rupees, okay, but the cost of extraction is 20 lakh. In that condition, we cannot call it resource, okay. So it should be economically feasible, okay. Then we have culturally acceptable. It should not hurt the sentiment of the people. It means, suppose there is a big temple or big churches. Inside that church or inside that temple, there is coal mine or there is gold. Okay. So when we will extract that gold, it will harm or it will hurt the sentiment of the people, because people are connected with that particular place. Means they are thinking that there is a God is existing inside the temple, and if you will extract that coal or if you will extract that gold from the inside the temple, then people of the society, people of the country will not accept it, okay. So we have to think that where is that particular resource is existing. Suppose this is a big school and inside the school building, if we are finding there is any resource, anything is existing here, so for extraction of that particular resource, we will have to remove this school from this place, and here we are knowing that so many children are getting education from this school, so many people are working here. So in that condition, if we will extract that resource, then what will happen? It will disrupt the life of so many people. So in that condition, it will not be a resource. Means anything could be resource if it is satisfying three important criteria. It should be technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable. All three criteria, if it is fulfilling, then only we can call any particular thing a resource. Next thing, you see, the process of transformation of the things available in our environment involves interaction relationship between the nature, technology and institution. Nature, technology and institution. For extracting any resource, we need to have the interaction between all these things. Say for example, we are extracting coal, so we are interacting with the nature, okay. Second important thing, we should have the technology to extract coal. And third important thing, there should be one institution. It is most of the case, it is government organization which is just taking care of the extraction of resources. They are preserving that resource for our society, and they are doing the planning for the utilization of that resource for the welfare of our society. society, for the welfare of our country. So in between this center of the thing is human being. Without the interference of the human being, nothing will be helpful. So with human being at the center, with the help of technology, with the help of nature, and with the help of the institution, is extracting the resource and utilizing that particular resource for the welfare of our nation, for the welfare of our society, for the betterment of our society. They are only the institution is there. The institution is there who will decide where the resource will be employed in order to get the better output, in order to serve the economy of the country. Till today, this much. In next video, I will teach you classification of resource. Thank you.